The next generation of graphics cards, specifically the RTX 40 series, is undoubtedly some of the best that we have seen so far. Take the RTX 4090 for example. The performance of this thing is on another level and is a huge leap from its predecessor, the RTX 3090 Ti. With that being said, what about the next-gen gaming laptops that will house this beast? The card itself requires huge power to run, and managing the thermal on the desktop side alone is a huge challenge. Including the RTX 4090 on a laptop seems like a bit of hassle too, given laptops these days are getting thinner and lighter. Nonetheless, gaming laptops with RTX 4090 are gonna happen sooner or later, and here is what we think about the upcoming RTX 4090 gaming laptops. The news comes from a Twitter leaker going by the name Rehawk. Anyway, he has shared some insights about the upcoming RTX 40 series mobile chip, starting from RTX 4060 all the way up to 4090. Turns out, the 40 series laptop chips will be labeled as GN21, and the one we are most concerned about is the GN21X11. Based on the AD103 architecture, RTX 4090 mobile version is likely to pull as much as 175 watts of power as per the estimation of Kupite7Kimi over on Twitter. This simply means a huge difference in performance between the desktop and laptop RTX 4090 GPU. But Nvidia really don't have much of a choice here now, do they? As mentioned earlier, laptops these days are getting thinner and lighter, and given the thermal constraints, it seems like a bad idea to integrate a monstrous GPU such as the 4090 on a laptop without limiting the TDP. Thankfully, features such as DLSS 3.0 and architectural improvements will still be on the table for the RTX 4090 laptops, so we're looking at greater performance bumps anyway. As these laptops are yet to arrive, specs regarding them can be a little difficult to assume. As mentioned earlier, they will have a maximum TDP of about 175 watts, and as VideoCard speculates, they might end up having up to 16GB of GDDR6 memory, unlike the desktop counterpart that includes 24GB of GDDR6X. As for the price, things might follow the desktop route for the laptop segment as well. Currently, laptops with RTX 3080 mobile chips is selling for over $3,000. And judging by how the desktop RTX 4090 GPUs are priced, things are expected to get pricey for these gaming laptops as well. So, when can we expect these next-gen gaming laptops to arrive? Well, as all of the big players are done showing off the desktop side of things, the laptop components are expected to arrive at the CES 2023 event, which is almost a month away. Chances are, we'll get to see the RTX 4090 laptops as well. We'll be back again with more updates on these next-gen laptops as soon as they hit the shelves. So that was all about the upcoming RTX 4090 laptops. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.